At the beginning of time, a world free of pollution. Today, in a world of pollution, our big planet is struggling. We will cover how pollution has affected our planet in this segment. Almost all of the energy that heats the Earth and our buildings comes from the sun at no cost to us. Without this essentially inexhaustible solar energy, the Earth's average temperature would be negative 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and life as we know it would not exist. This direct input of solar energy produces several other forms of renewable energy that can be thought of as indirect solar energy, such as wind and hydropower. Energy efficiency experts say we can no longer afford to build our societies around such energy-wasting and environmentally harmful devices, which some call the outdated four. They call for us to replace these energy-wasting dinosaurs with more energy-efficient and less polluting and climate-changing alternatives over the next few decades. A motor vehicle with an internal combustion engine wastes about 94% of the energy in its fuel. A nuclear power plant producing electricity for space heating or water heating wastes about 83% of the energy in its nuclear fuel, and probably 92% when we include the additional energy used in the nuclear fuel cycle. Water pollution is any chemical, biological, or physical change in water quality that harms living organisms or makes water unsuitable for desired uses. Agricultural activities are by far the leading cause of water pollution. Sediment eroded from agricultural lands is the largest source. Other major agricultural pollutants include fertilizers and pesticides, bacteria from livestock, and food processing wastes. The United States leads the world in producing solid waste. With only 4.6% of the world's population, the US produces about 1/3 of the world's solid waste. About 98.5% of all solid waste produced in the United States is industrial, solid waste from mining, which is 76%, agriculture, which is 13%, and industry, which is 9.5%. The Endangered Species Act of 1973 was designed to identify and protect endangered species in the United States and abroad. Evidence shows that the Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world, and that the average annual area of floating summer sea ice in the Arctic is declining, and is breaking up earlier each year. Scientists project that summer sea ice could be gone by 2030, and perhaps as soon as 2025.